Hello buddies, this is the Hungry Block Machine Company. Now we are going to load our HR 2-10, the soil interlocking brick making machine. And now I want to give you some tips for you to understand how to adjust the blocks you want to produce. And this the top is the sensor is the control. Is to control the top is the mode, the top mode, the limited location. And this one, that means after this top mode compress down, and after this touch here, so this sensor will give the signal to this sensor. So the mode box will be lift up to compress the blocks, by this size, okay. And after these parts touch here, they will, after the compressed blocks, they will go down again. And next one, the top mode, from this location, we will continue to compress. After the top mode touch this sensor, that means the blocks is finished. The blocks height is finished. And if you want to produce the blocks height a little lower, that means you will lift up these parts to go up a little. So the mold box space will be get fewer. So it means the blocks height will be get smaller, get shorter. So you can try to lift up this sensor. Maybe the difference of the block height. Maybe for example is 20 mm. So that means you can lift up this sensor up 20 mm. And what you are going to, there are the sensor box, electric box. This one is for the oil tank. Oil tank is means hydraulic station junction box. And this one, there's this. And you will find out the oil tank here is the oil tank junction box. So you lock it, right? You charge it. After you charge it, you will use this to lock it. And another one, this one is for the main machine junction box. Same way, okay? You will, remove this and find out the main machine right here, main machine junction box. Okay, you charge it, right? You charge it and you lock it by this way. That's all. And what you have to do, connector, that means this one, you see, the location is U1, V1, W1. This location is for the keyboard from the keyboard line from the motor. This one. There are three lines will be connected with this motor. That means these three lines from the hydraulic station motor, this big motor, will be connected here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And your main power source. The main power source will be connected here. 1, 2, 3. This one is the switch, the main power switch. That's all. And here is It's manual or auto. This one. And all of the technician details already inside, fixed inside the computer. So there's not necessary for you to exchange anything. Okay? And this one is oil pump. Oil pump. It will switch on the hydraulic station. Hydraulic station. And this one is the waves for the air compressor. This one is for the waves for the air compressor. Switch on or off. This one head mode, top mode, lift up, top mode, press down. And what you need to do is this head, this air compressor head will be connected with the air compressor. Will be connected with the air compressor. That's all.